Hey guys, Tank here. I picked up something cool from AWANFI. These are the AWANFI LED light strip. These are 50 foot, so 15 meter, RGB color changing music sync LED light strip. It actually has a remote control also. You can also control it via your app on Bluetooth. And this is all 12 volt. So I'm actually going to install this on my shelf that I have all my RCs, so it's all going to be to light up and change the color. It should be very nice to actually put that for underglow under the shelf. So that's going to be on another video I'll show you guys. But today I just want to show you what's in the box and what's all in here. So let's open her up. So in the box you do get the power supply, 12 volt power supply. This is the Canadian one, or American one. You do get your instruction booklet of how to use the app and how to connect everything. We won't go through that today for the app. Here's the remote control. It does say in the instruction that you do have to remove this plastic to make it work, which makes complete sense. So to make it work, you just pull on the plastic, and then your remote should be ready to go. You do have little tie strip here to attach it under the shelves. And you have the control board. This is where you're going to connect all the lights on and connect the power supply to it. Sorry for the noise. And you can actually control this via the buttons here. You have your M, your power, and your C. This is the IR strip. This is where the remote actually points to actually get the signal. And this is where you would get the connection. You do get 2 rolls, 25 feet each. And very important when you do install these is install them with the arrows pointing the right way. So if you put them like this, it will not work. It does have to be the arrow pointing to the arrow. So you do have to connect it like this. So very important thing to do. And these you can actually, if you're good with soldering, you can actually cut it in between here and actually solder in between, put a cable in between, but you do need 4 wires to go in between. So here you have the LED, and we'll connect it real quick to actually show you how it actually works. So let's connect this. Okay, so let's connect both of them and make sure you have the arrows pointing the right way onto these. Once that is done, you can take your power button and actually connect it onto the power, and then they come on. So this is kind of a yellowish signal. So if I go white, the camera kind of gives me a bluish color. Off, on. This is blue, green, red, white, purple, cyan, yellow, and orange. Now you do have some different beat to the music. It can actually go to the beat of the music that you're playing, or if you actually put it onto here, is every time you bang on the table or there's beat, it will actually change color. So if you have loud music in your house and you want to set that up for having some fun at a party or at Christmas or anything, it will go with the music. And there's different modes also for the music that you can actually do. It goes through on the manual of how to do it. There's 4 different modes that actually makes it. There's also different jump mode that they write here. Jump 3, 7, and there's fade. So now it's actually jumping from one color to the other. There is the other one also that actually jumped from one to the other. And you also have the fade. So fade is going to go from one color to another, but it's actually going to do a fade. And there's different thing that you can actually do on it also. So very interesting. So I'm going to take those out and install them on my shelf and show you the final result on a different video. So this is going to be very fun to install. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you guys later. Have fun.